What's going on YouTube? Andrew back with another video, and today we're going to be filming a little nighttime POV for you guys, so come along with the drive and let's get started. Alrighty guys, welcome to a little POV. Nothing too crazy.
Speed camera ahead.
I'm gonna let the car do most of the talking on this drive, but yeah.
In 900 feet, speed camera ahead. 25 miles per hour speed limit.
I'll leave it plugged in, why not? But yeah, so yeah, welcome back to the video, welcome back. Tonight we're just filming a nice little chill POV. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. We tuned my buddy's car. You guys probably seen it. If not, check it out. Pretty cool. We got a lot of stuff coming. Don't worry guys, we're still filming videos on this car. You know, I'm just trying to mix it up, you know, trying to mix it up, all different cars. Maybe we'll get some different trucks, you know. Let me go. Nothing too crazy today. Nice little short video. Make a little turn here. That's the proper way to take a turn. Hope you guys can see good with the new tints we installed. It should be pretty decent. They are ceramic after all.
Speed camera ahead. Auto. Mute memory. You are exceeding the speed.
Going 1 mile an hour over the speed limit. Yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let the car do the talking tonight. Here's all our modes, our N mode and everything. Of course, we have it in full N mode tonight. But yeah. That's another thing, guys. We have to put the PS4S's back on here, the summer track tires, because these all seasons and this heat, right now it's like, I don't know, it's like around 80 degrees, around 9 o'clock at night. They just spin. And we did do the transmission mount and the engine mount, but it's just something about that, it just spins. Little underpass here.
Speed camera ahead.
900 feet. 25 miles per hour speed limit.
Sounds good.
Speed camera ahead. 25 miles per hour speed limit.
Up onto the highway.
Traffic light camera ahead.
Red light camera ahead.
That underpass. Thing about this car is it has the assisted drive, which is nice. But to be honest with you guys, a lot of times when I get on the highway, I'm in eco mode 90% of the time, just because, you know, I'm not trying to listen to the exhaust the whole time. Of course, this guy has to take the exit. Of course. Give it a little gas here. GS. Hope you guys are enjoying this little POV tonight. Like I said, I'm gonna let this car do most of the talking, but
Speed camera ahead. You are exceeding the speed.
no, the speed camera's on the road. This is the highway. Highway speeds.
Speed camera ahead.
And the cool part about the 8th gear, if you hold the paddle down, it will downshift to the lowest gear possible, which is pretty cool. This all sounds pretty good tonight. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this short little POV tonight. Like I said, nothing crazy, just a little night drive. If you guys like this, maybe we'll take it up a notch. We got more videos coming out probably next week or so, you know, stay tuned for that. But other than that, it's been Andrew, and I gotta go.